In this tutorial, we will show you how to properly load the vertical drop system. We will start off by adjusting the back gate. For questions on how to adjust the back gate, please view our How to Adjust the Back Gate tutorial. We will start off by loading the products bottom to bottom. We will do this on all products being loaded into a vending machine. We will start off by loading the front product first. Notice how the front product is loaded bottom here, top to the front. You want to be sure that the product is slid all the way forward to the front of the machine. We will then put the second bottle in directly behind the front. Be sure that when loading the second bottle, you're loading it bottom to bottom. This will be true with all products that are loaded into the vertical drop system. After loading the first two products, we will continue loading the rest of the machine. Notice how I am loading the products the same way as I loaded the first two. You want to make sure that you are staggering the bottles left, then right, left, then right. As the bottles are continuing to get higher, be sure that the front of the bottle is not overhanging or underhanging further into the machine. This is caused by the back gate not being properly adjusted at the top slot compared to the bottom slot. This will also create a hang-up, which could create jams in your vending machine. Remember, when introducing new product into the vending machine, always do multiple test vends before implementing this into the field. Always be sure you're loading products bottom to bottom. This will help eliminate misvends and jamming in your machine. Different products, or the same product that we showed here, will always be loaded bottom to bottom. Thank you for choosing Seaga.